just thinking about my future plans. Don't know if any of them will ever work. Great, so now you'll worry about the future, and when you reach the future, you'll miss the past and wonder why you didn't enjoy the present. Why do you always speak in alien language? Hey guys, happy Tuesday to all of you and welcome back to the Win TV's Habit Game series where I take you through a painful but satisfying journey of building a new habit. Gosh, I miss saying that. So I extended my break a day extra because I was going back into office yesterday after several weeks, so I wanted to adjust back into that situation and just clear off any pending tasks. So I took my entire Monday to focus on that. I hope July has been amazing for all of you. I have been enjoying all the blessings and love of being a bride. I just want to take this opportunity as well to thank all of you who were a part of this celebration with me, who sent me your blessings, love, messages. Thank you so much. It just means so much to me. Now back to the Habit Game series. I'm truly excited to share this month's videos because it's going to be all about my yoga journey, as that is this month's habit. I am looking at attending hot yoga classes for about 3 to 4 times a week. So hot yoga is basically a form of yoga that is practiced under hot and humid conditions. I basically go for yoga classes that are done in a hot room at about 40 degrees Celsius. And in this week's video, I am going to share the 4 main reasons why I chose to take hot yoga seriously and why I want it to be a part of my weekly routine. So the past 2 weeks have been not so great because I have been doing my morning routine well. I have also been avoiding junk food quite regularly, but I've not been taking yoga seriously. I think in the past 2 weeks I only went about once or twice. So that is why I want to revisit all these reasons with all of you so that it can boost my motivation as well to take this more seriously. So go grab your coffee and we shall begin. The very first reason I love yoga is because it teaches me how to live in the present. As I mentioned in my past video, I used to have anxiety attacks years back when I started yoga. And I used to have this mainly because I used to either live in the past or I would have forwarded my life few weeks ahead into an event that's happening few weeks or few months time.
Oh my god, there's something stuck in my teeth. I wonder if everyone at the meeting saw this. Oh my god, what if everyone's talking about how disgusting my teeth was? Oh my god, the company is calling me. Maybe they want to fire me because I didn't clean my teeth. Oh my god, what if I never get a job again?
That is exactly how I was. Always anxious about what happened yesterday or anxious about what is going to happen tomorrow. When I started yoga at that time itself, this was about 4 years back, I noticed how it made me live in the present more. And now that I've started yoga again, I noticed the same thing. It has made me a little of a different person. I no longer am too anxious about what happened yesterday or no longer anxious about what is going to happen tomorrow. I plan for it, I do what needs to be done, and I just let that go. It's more like I can get the small worries out of my way and truly enjoy what is happening today. When I'm in a yoga class, the few minutes of meditation at the end of the class when you have done all the poses, it actually makes you feel one with the ground and sky. Those moments are the moments that teach you how to really enjoy your present. Okay, another fun fact about me is that I don't sweat. I hardly sweat. I can run on the treadmill for 1 hour and I will still look like I just came out fresh from the shower. Especially my face and neck area, it doesn't produce much sweat. And I think that is one of the reasons I have breakouts on my face. But with yoga, especially hot yoga, just 20 minutes into the class and I am pouring. So I used to feel like some kind of weirdo because after the yoga class, when I'm drenched in my own sweat, it used to make me feel so happy. So I thought I'm just some kind of weird person. But then I came across articles that actually prove that sweating brings out the happy hormones. Even being close to someone that is drenched in their sweat can make you feel happy. Funny, huh? I'll leave some links in my description so you can read more about this. But through my personal experience, I can vouch for this. When you are sweating from head to toe, it actually makes you feel good about yourself. You generally feel happy. On the days that I go for yoga classes early in the morning, those days turn out to be the best days of my life. The third reason is quite a common one. We all know by drinking more water, by exercising, by sweating, yada yada, we get a more glowing skin. But yoga actually has some poses that are made for anti-aging, for giving you a much more radiant skin and giving you a tighter skin. I I personally have not reached that level yet where I can do all these poses well, but with just the little that I can do for now, I already see a great improvement on my skin. As much as I love wearing makeup, I also love days where I can just dump moisturizer on my face and run out of the house. So that is why I find it very important to take care of my skin, and I find yoga to be the healthiest way to give yourself a glowing skin. The final reason I want to take hot yoga seriously is because it has helped me so much with my muscle cramps. Sometimes I feel so old because even by doing this, I'll have a muscle pull. The more I go for these yoga classes, the more I feel my muscles loosening up. With every class, you will realize that you're getting better at a pose because your body is able to stretch a little more. It makes it even better when you do these poses in a heated room because it's best to stretch a warm muscle. We receive better flexibility benefits by stretching a warm muscle. So those are the main reasons why I really want to take hot yoga seriously. I know there are billions of videos, articles out there sharing about the benefits of hot yoga, and honestly I find most of them to be true. I do think hot yoga brings a lot of benefits to us physically, mentally, a lot of ways. As I go more into yoga, I will share more benefits that come to me through this practice. Also stay tuned for my next video because I will be taking you on a tour of the hot yoga studio that I attend, so you can see how well they do their social distancing and how well they conduct their classes. So as usual, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all next Monday. Lots of love. Bye bye. Oh my god, you have to stretch your body into these positions? Trust me, you will love how you feel after every class, and it is easier for your body to stretch into these positions in a heated room. Okay, I'll think about it.